Naam, habari zenu wanafunzi. Hi to all students. Welcome back to one of these sessions. I hope you know these sessions are amazing to all of you because you are trying to get exposure to how we are dealing with mathematics. So we'll be spending again some time here actually solving from 2 questions. And today's exam, we are going to have Tahosa, Kinondoni, and the Ubungo districts, actually from 2 pre-national exams. It was 2020 exam. So here we go, dear students. The students, actually, when you go to the exam, here it is. As we said, this is from 2 mock exams, and it is Basic Mathematics 2020 exam. Good enough about this exam. Actually, the exam is talking about current format of from 2 national exams. So this is very good revision to all of you. I hope you have less than a month actually to come to your national exams. Welcome to the session. So the exam started with the question number 1A, find the quotient of the lowest common multiple to the greatest common factor of 18, 24, and 16. So we're supposed to find the LCM and GCF, then we're going to take LCM divided by GCFs. So we are going to use prime factorization method. You have 18, 24, and 60. You start now actually by 2. We break down now. By 2 here will be 9, will be 12, will be 30. By 2 will be 9, will be 60, 15. By 2 will be 9, 3, 15. By 3 will be 3, 1, 5. By 3 will be 1, 1, actually 5. Then by 5 will be 1, 1, 1. So LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. LCM is 8 times 9 times 5. You get actually LCM equals to 360. And GCF, we are going to look for number actually which divided all the 3 numbers without a remainder. And for our case, we have 2 times another number with 3. So GCF equals to 6. Now, when you take LCM divided by GCF, this is equal to 360 divided by 60, and the result is going to be 60. So the quotient of the lowest number we are looking here actually is 60, dear students. We go to question number number 1B, and here is the question. Here is the question. The population of 3 towns are 65,000 shilling, 65,000, 13,000, and 29,700 people. Approximate each population to the nearest 10,000 and give their total. So we are going to start with 65,000. You approximate to 10,000 shilling. First of all, you have, speaking of shilling, it is not shilling. So this is ones, you know that. This is tens. The plus value I'm sorry, there is one technical problem, but I hope we are solving it. Okay, so as you have seen, we are in question 1B. Question 1B here it is. So we're supposed to approximate actually these numbers into 10,000s. So 65,000 is going to be approximately equal to 70,000. Then we go to another number. Another number is 13,000. This is approximately equal to 10,000. Mind you, we focus to the place value where we're supposed to approximate, and then you check the number just after the place value focused. If the number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, you add 1. If the number is less than 5, you just leave it easy, and the other numbers actually become just zeros. And then you have 29,700. This is approximately now equals to 30,000. So the next stage, we are going to add them. We are going to take 70,000 plus 10,000 plus 30,000. You get 100, actually, it is 110,000. So the population is approximately 100,000 people, dear students. We go to question number 2B. Question number 2A, sorry. Rehema spent 1/8 of her salary on communication and 1/4 on water bills. If she remained with 180,000 shillings, what was her salary? So solution for this question, we can let X be her salary. So she spent 1/8 of her salary on communication plus 1/4 of her salary on water bills. And the remaining money is 180,000 shillings. So if I take the salary minus, which is X minus 1/8, X plus 1/4 X, eventually we are going to get 180,000. Okay. And this is equivalent to X minus, in the bracket, you have actually 3/8 X equals to 180,000. We continue solving the question. You have 5x/8 equals to 180,000. It means now X will be 180,000. Multiply by 8, divide by 5, and the value of X now will be, actually by 5 here it is 1, by 5 here it is 360. Okay, so 360, 36. You multiply 60 times 8, it is 48. 3 times 8, 24, plus 4, 28, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So we can conclude that her salary actually is 288,000 shilling, dear students. We go to we go to question number 2B, part 1. We go to question number 2B, part 1. Sorry, there is a problem. There is a minor problem. We solve it. Now we're supposed to change 8/5 into decimals. So you're going to take 8 divided by 5. Now you're going to get 1, it is 5. 8 minus 5, you get 3. You add 0 and a point there. So now it is 60, it is 30, you subtract, it is gone. So we are going to say, therefore, 8/5 equals to 1.6. What about percentage? You're going to take 8/5 multiply by 100%. And the result is actually 8 times. When you simplify here by 5, it is 1 by 5, it is 20. So you get actually 160%. Get to 160%. We go to question number 3A. A machine that cost 18,000 shilling was sold at a profit of 4%. Find the selling price. One of the best approach actually of solving this kind of questions is to compare the percentage of selling price and buying price actually with the amount, corresponding amount. So for our case here, we were told that a machine cost 18,000 shilling. So we can say 100% is corresponding to 18,000 shilling. Now, when a machine is sold at a profit of 4%, it means the percentage now corresponding to selling price will be 104%. This is equivalent to selling price. Now we are looking for selling price. So what you do here, you cross in multiplication. And when you do that, actually you have now, you have selling price equals to 104% times 18,000 shilling divided by 100%. So you simply calculate now the value required there. And for our case now, actually you have 104 multiplied by 18,000. You divide it by 100. The result is going to be actually 18,720. So the selling price is 18,720, dear students. We go to question number 3B. A father divided 150,000 shilling among Easter and Elizabeth in the ratio of 3 to 2 respectively. How much money did each get? So actually Easter will get 3/3 plus 2 times 150,000 shilling. This is equal to 3/5 multiplied by 150,000. You simplify by 5/1 by 583 0. You get 90,000 shilling. 90,000 shilling. That is for Esther. And Elizabeth, actually we get the remaining amount. So you're going to take 150,000 shilling minus 90,000 shilling, which is equal to 60,000 shilling. Or you can use the same approach, 2/5 times 150,000 shilling, and eventually you're going to get again 60,000 shilling. We proceed with question number 4. Question number 4, in the figure below, find the side of angles labeled A, B, C. Okay, good. First of all, we can consider the triangle. So this is a triangle So sum of all interior angles equals to 180 degree. So you have 48 degree plus 124 degree plus B, you get 180 degree. When you add here, you're going to get 172 degree plus B equals to 180 degree. So B equals to 180 minus 172. B is 80 degree. B is 80 degree. But then we were told that two lines are parallel. So this line here is parallel to this line. So we can say that A equals to 48 degree. And the reason it is because these are alternate angles. Given that two lines are parallel. Now the next stage, we are going to say that if you take A plus B plus C, you get to 180 degree. A is already 48 plus B, which is 8 plus C, you get to 180. 56 plus C, it is 180 degree. So C will be 180 minus 56 degree. The value of C, dear students, will be 180 minus 56, you get 124 degree. You get 124 degree. And actually, you can use also actually the same formula for parallel lines. You can see that actually in this figure that again C will be equal to 124. So that is solution for question number 3A. We go to question number 3B. Question number 3B say that the perimeter of triangle ABC is 16. So we have a triangle ABC. We are going to consider triangle ABC, whereby AB is 5 plus XC centimeter. So 5 plus XC centimeter. AC 2XC, AC 2 plus XC centimeter, and BC 5 centimeter. So we know that actually perimeter here, it will be summation of all sides, AB plus BC plus AC. So 16 will be equal to 5 plus XC plus 2 plus XC plus 5. 16 equals to 12 plus 2XC. 2XC will be 16 minus 12. 2XC will be 16 minus 12, you get 4. So X will be 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. Now find the value of XC. The value of XC is 2 centimeter. And the actual length of AB. Now the actual length of AB will be 5 plus 2, which is 7 centimeter. And AC will be 2 plus XC, which is 2 plus 2, it is 4 centimeter. And now we are done with question. We go to question number 5. So that was question number 4, dear students. Question number 5, solve by using substitution method. So we were given pair of simultaneous equations and we were supposed to solve by substitution methods. So from the equation number 1, I can just go, this is question number 1, this is question number 2. So from equation number 1, x plus y equals to 4, we can say that y is 4 minus x. Now you're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So from 2x minus y equals to 5, it means that 2x minus y, which is 4 minus x equals to 5. 2x minus 4 plus xc equals to 5. Well, 3xc equals to 5 plus 4. To proceed, you get actually 3xc equals to 9. Now xc will be 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. What about y? Okay, from this equation here, remember we were told that y is 4 minus xc, so it means y will be 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Therefore, xc comma y equals to 3 comma 1. Thank you very much. We proceed with another question. The question says that if x squared plus bx plus c equals to x minus 3 times x plus 2, determine the value of a, b, and c. Good. What we are going to do here, we are going to expand this expression here. And so we are going to say that x squared plus bx plus c equals to xc being multiplied by x plus 2 minus 3 being multiplied by x plus 2. Open the bracket, you get x squared plus 2xc minus 3xc minus 6 equals to x squared minus xc minus 6. And here is x squared plus bxc plus c. If you compare now left-hand side equation, right-hand side equation, you're going to see that the value of b is -1 and the value of c is -6. Okay, good. We go to question number 6C. Question number 6C, question number 6. If the gradient of the line joining the point -5, 3 and 3, k is -1/8, find the value of k. We know that the gradient actually is change in y over change in x. What you're going to do here, you're going to assume that actually this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2 here. So gradient, again, it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, gradient is -1/8 equals to y2, which is k minus y1, 3 over x2, which is 3 minus -5. It implies that -1/8 equals to k minus 3 over 3 plus 5, which is 8. You can see actually that we can just simplify there. Now -1 equals to k minus 3. The value of k is 3 minus 1. K is equal to 2. The value of k is 2, dear students. We're supposed to find the y-intercept. Good. So we have to find the equation actually of the line from y equals to m x minus x1 plus y1. We can find the equation to be -1/8 x minus x1 -5 plus y1. Y1 actually is 3. Y1 is 3. So y equals to -1/8 in the bracket x plus 5 plus 3. You open the bracket, you're going to get y is -1/8 x minus 5/8 plus 3. We have to continue now simplifying. You're going to get the equation to be like this, that y equals to -1/8 x, okay, plus common denominator 8 Common denominator 8. You have -5 plus 24. So the final results now is y equals to -1/8 x plus 19/8. So now the question is, what is the y-intercept? So we are going to conclude, you compare this entire equation with y equals to mx plus c, c being y-intercept. So we're going to say that actually y-intercept is 19/8. Thank you. Okay, we go to another question. Another question say, by using a sketch, find the image of point 2,3 after a reflection in the line y equals to x, followed by another reflection in the line y equals to -x. Okay, so I just want to end up here. We are going to continue with 6b to the last part of to the last question in the coming session. Let it be this part 1. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any question, then be comfortable to ask the question in the comment section. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best in your upcoming exams.